Hi, my name is TJ Wagner, and today I'm going to show you how to send an individual an online color vision test via TestingColorVision.com, provided by Waggoner Diagnostics. From the dashboard, you will see the color vision tests that your organization has the option to take. For some of you, that may only be the Waggoner Computerized Color Vision Test, known as the Waggoner CCT. You can find more information about each test by selecting the test from the list. Please select Send a Test to begin emailing test takers an online color vision test. If you don't remember how to change the email content for taking a test, we recommend watching Changing Email Content on TestingColorVision.com. Now, you can begin writing the emails that you need to send color vision tests to. You are also able to go to any spreadsheet or Word document and use the copy and paste functionality. This will allow you to send hundreds of color vision tests at once if needed. After entering the emails of each individual who needs to take a color vision test, select the color vision test you'd like them to take. Now hit send. Great job! You've just sent your first online color vision test. Please visit www.waggonerdiagnostics.com and its resources page for more tips and tricks as we begin to build out our content. Thank you for using Waggoner Diagnostics for all your color vision testing needs.